Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all are fine at home and are doing good. I'm fine. I'm your math teacher, Rishmi. Today, I'm back with another important lesson in math multiples and factors. Today's topic is multiples and factors. This we already studied. Today, we can revise this topic. First, what are multiples? A multiple is formed by multiplying a given number by the counting numbers. You know counting numbers what? Counting numbers mean what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like that. So, how we can form a multiple? A multiple is formed by multiplying a given number by counting numbers. We can check how to form multiples. Suppose we want to find the multiples of 4. So first multiple is 4 multiplied by 1 which is equal to 4, and the next one 4 multiplied by 2 which is equal to 8, and next is 4 multiplied by 3 which is equal to 12, and next 4 multiplied by 4 which is equal to 16, and next 4 multiplied by 5 which is equal to 20, and next 4 multiplied by 6 which is equal to 24. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are counting numbers. So in order to find the multiple of a number, we want to multiply that number with counting numbers. So the multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, etc. If we want to calculate the next multiple, we want to multiply by 7. 4 multiplied by 7 which is equal to 28, and next 4 multiplied by 8 which is equal to 32. Like that we want to calculate. Next, what are the first 5 multiples of 13? How to find the first 5 multiples of 13? We want to multiply the number 13 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Right? So 13 multiplied by 1 which is equal to 13, and 13 multiplied by 2 which is equal to 26, 13 multiplied by 3 which is equal to 39, 13 multiplied by 4 which is equal to 52, and 13 multiplied by 5 which is equal to 65. So the first 5 multiples of 13 are 13, 26, 39, 52 and 65. Next, find the missing multiples. We want to find the missing multiples what? The first question, check here, 6, 12, 18 is given. These are multiples of what? These are multiples of 6, right? Because 6 multiplied by 1 is 6, 6 multiplied by 2 is 12, 6 multiplied by 3 is 18, and next 6 multiplied by 4 which is equal to 24, and next 6 multiplied by 5 which is equal to 30. And the next question is, the first number is blank here. Next it is given 6, 9, 12. 6, 9, 12 means multiples of what? Multiples of 3, right? So in order to find the first number, 3 multiplied by 1, 3. 3 multiplied by 2, 6. 3 multiplied by 3, 9. 3 multiplied by 4, 12. And the next number, 3 multiplied by 5 which is equal to 15. And next 3 multiplied by 6 which is equal to 18, and the last number 3 multiplied by 7 which is equal to 21. And these are the multiples of number 12. So in order to find the missing number, first we want to write 12 multiplied by 1 what? 12 multiplied by 1 is 12. Next is 12 multiplied by 2 which is 24. Next 12 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 36. Next is 12 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 48. And next 12 multiplied by 5 is 60. And the last number 12 multiplied by 6, which is equal to 72. These are the way how to find the missing multiples. Next is factors. Factors means what? Factors are the numbers you multiply together to get a product. For example, the product 24 has several factors. How we can find? First, we want to write the number 24 as multiples of two numbers. So 24 we can write as 1 multiplied by 24. Another way is 2 multiplied by 12. Another way is 3 multiplied by 8. And another way is 4 multiplied by 6. So how we can find the factors of 24? The factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. These are the factors of 24. So factors means these are the numbers you multiply together to get a product, and in order to find the factors we want to find how we can write that number as multiples of two numbers, and all those multiples are the factors of that numbers. So how to find the factors? Start with 1, multiply that numbers. Next try with 2, 3, 4, etc. Okay. So when you repeat your factors, cross out the repeat and you are done at this point. If we are getting repeat, stop at that point. We are finished. Or if you are getting doubles, doubles means such as 4 multiplied by 4 or 3 multiplied by 3 or 5 multiplied by 5. If we are getting doubles also, we are done. So repeat or doubles let you know you are done. Okay, I will explain with one example, then you will be more clear. Suppose we want to find the factors of 16. How we can find? First do 1 multiplied by 16 what? 1 multiplied by 16 is what? 16. Next 2 multiplied by 8 is 16. Now 3 multiplied by what is 16? We will not get. So 3 is not a factor and cross it out. Next try with 4. 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. This is doubles, right? Because 4 and 4. So doubles means done. So stop at that point. So the factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Next, what are the factors of 18? Start with 1. 1 multiplied by 18 is 18. Next 2 multiplied by 9 is 18. 3 multiplied by 6 is 18. 4 multiplied by what? 18? We will not get. So 4 is not a factor, cross it out. And 5 multiplied by what? 18? We will not get, cross it out. And next try with 6. 6 multiplied by 3 is 18. But this is a repeat, right? Because here we got 3 multiplied by 6 and here it is 6 multiplied by 3. If repeat means cross it out and we are done. So the factors of 18 are what? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Next, what are the factors of 7? For 7 we can write 1 multiplied by 7. And if any other way, 2 multiply we will not get, cross it out. 3 multiply we will not get, cross it out. 4 multiply also will not get, cross it out. And 5 multiply by what is 7? We will not get, cross. And 6 also will not get, cross. And next we will get with 7. 7 multiplied by 1 is 7. This works, but it is a repeat. First we got 1 multiplied by 7 and here we are getting 7 multiplied by 1. So it is a repeat, so we are done. And the factors of 7 are what? The factors of 7 are only 1 and 7. Next, about prime and composite numbers. Prime numbers means what? Prime numbers are numbers that only have two factors, 1 and the number itself. So prime numbers are the numbers that only have two factors, 1 and the number itself. Examples: 3, 5, 7, 11, 31. These all are prime numbers because for these numbers we are getting only two factors. For the number 3, 1 and 3 are factors. For the number 5, 1 and 5 are the factors. For the number 7, 1 and 7 are the factors. For the number 11, 1 and 11 are the factors. And for the number 31, 1 and 31 are the factors. So only two factors for these numbers, and so these numbers we can call it as prime numbers. And next about composite numbers. What are composite numbers? Composite numbers have more than two factors. Examples: 6, 18, 30, 100. These all are composite numbers because for these numbers we will get more than two factors. For 6 we can write as 1 multiplied by 6 and also 2 multiplied by 3, right? So 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the factors of 6. So we are getting more than two factors. If we are getting more than two factors for a number, then that number is called as a composite number. So prime number means the number that only have two factors, and composite numbers means numbers that have more than two factors. Thank you. I hope all of you are clear with the terms multiples, factors, prime numbers and composite numbers. Thank you. I will be back with another lesson.